Do you want to know how you can enable GPT-4 in Bing and get more accurate answers? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the GPT-4 in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now click on Copilot. You can see that there is option of use chat GPT-4 or GPT-4. Go ahead and enable the button, and you can either click on this option over here, or you can use your voice or photo or any kind of attachment, and you can chat with the Bing AI. This way, if you turn your GPT-4 option, you will get more accurate answers and more reliable answers. This way, it will help remove the unnecessary answers and help to save your time. I hope this video about how you can enable GPT-4 in Bing was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.